Presenting a Safari Montage playlist in Zoom can be done very easily using the Zoom screen sharing feature. First, have your playlist on screen in Safari Montage and ready for sharing. Once you're in your Zoom session, when it's time to present the playlist, click the Share Screen button at the bottom of your Zoom screen. This will open a pop-up menu giving you the option to select which window you want to share. You're going to want to select the window with your playlist. But before you click Share, note these two options in the lower left of the pop-up. One is to share computer sound, which you'll want to check if you plan on playing any videos with audio included. Because most videos do include audio, you'll probably want to check this box. The other option is to optimize screen sharing for video clip. This option ensures that your remote students have the best quality experience when you play a full-screen video in the playlist you're sharing. Again, if you plan on sharing video, you'll want to check this box. Now you're ready to share your playlist by clicking the Share button in the lower right corner of the pop-up. You're now sharing your playlist, and any items you select, your student viewers will see and hear. It's really that easy. When you're done with the playlist and you want to stop sharing, click the red Stop Share button at the top of your Zoom screen. You'll return immediately to your main Zoom session, ready to continue. And you can share any Safari Montage playlists or other resources again at any time. Note that if you're using a learning management system, such as Canvas or Schoology with Safari Montage, you can share embedded playlists in the same way. Just select the window with your LMS when you share your screen.